All right, well, we're down here in the basement and we are to the point of getting the fans put up. So here we go. First time. Whoa, yeah, like, second fan installed. Let's flip the switch. All right, let's see if they light up. Oh yeah. Let's see if the fans turn on. Oh yeah. Woohoo! Success! Look at that thing go. Oh yeah. Alright, so as you can tell, the fans are working really well. So that's pretty cool. thanks for watching this video. This is all about the fans in the big room. I never thought I'd get to this point, but we are here, and I'm in love. So, got this big fan here, and then we got this big fan here. This room is humongous, because when you walk up on these guys, these are big fans, but amazing, and they go a lot faster than this. I do like the light levels, so if we do a little bit of change on the lights, oh, whoops, you got that light, all these different lights. I like this one better. And then that turns the, I guess I'll turn the fan off. And then this one is the same. I don't like this yellow light thing. Some people do. So let's see. There we go. And that matches everything else. So that's beautiful. Oh yeah. We're getting places, you guys. All right, well, like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the model numbers of these fans in the description below. And man, this is so exciting. This is way exciting. And here's my new light on my new camera, so you can see my face better. But I'm super excited, and I can't hide it. You know what I mean? Get some shots here. Oh yeah.